You can move to
Good news
Denmark
for all
with your
international
family.
students. You can move to Denmark with your family. Hi, I'm Eduke, the village girl. I live in Denmark from Cameroon. I do videos to help you navigate easily to come to Denmark. Now, unlike speculations this year, many people thought that maybe the Danish government was going to cancel the possibility for international students to move with their families to come to Denmark. A lot happened in 2025 and into 2026. We had speculations of laws being changed, you know, around students moving to Denmark. But now, after going through the website of Siri, that's the Agency for Integration and Immigration in Denmark, we realize that it is still possible for you as an international student, even from the third world, to move to Denmark with your child or your spouse. But of course, there are conditions to this. The first one is that you must be a student enrolled in a state approved university in Denmark. Remember, we also have non-state approved universities. So if you are studying in universities like Aalborg University, Roskilde, and others which are named on a specific website which I can give you, you need to check the eligibility there. So if you are going to any of these state universities, of course you can come with your child or your spouse. Again, your spouse needs to be legally married to you, or it could be, maybe your cohabitation partner. But in all of this, you need to also show proof that you guys have ties. So maybe if you say the person is your spouse, and then you have to show a marriage certificate, and that marriage certificate has to show that as of the time of the marriage, you guys were more than 18 years old, of course, both of you, and you have to show a legal marriage certificate. And then the spouse also has to show that you are capable of taking care of them while you're here. So for example, if you're the student, you need to show a bank statement or a statement of account balance showing that you have approximately 89,000 Danish crown in your account to take care of your spouse for 1 year in Denmark. And that also applies for your child. If you're bringing your child, the child has to be less than 18 years, and there's also an amount that you need to have in your account to show that you can take care of that child while the child is in Denmark. It's on the website of the Danish immigration. You can always go there and read to confirm the figures for yourself. Remember, for the child, you have to show a birth certificate to prove that you are the parent of that child, or if you adopted the child, you need to show legal documents to show that you are the guardian of that child. And remember, when applying for your spouse or for your child to move with you to Denmark, you don't have the same application with them. They do their separate applications, and you, the student, you also do your separate application. And remember, for the student, you don't need any proof of funds to show that uh, you are capable of living or taking care of yourself in Denmark. When you pay your first semester fee, or you pay the first school fee that the school is demanding, it could be for the first semester or for the first year, you are good to go to apply for the visa. Yeah, the good news is that while you're living in Denmark, as a student, you're working 90 hours per month. Your partner can work as many hours as they like. They can work unlimited hours, you know, in order to take care of whatever they have to, maybe the bills, help you pay your school fees and all of that. And so basically, I'm saying that you can move to Denmark with your family. But when they say family here, they mean just your wife or your husband and your child. This does not include your siblings or your mom or your dad, but you can always invite them in case you have something going on. Maybe you're graduating or just anything, and you feel like you want to invite them to Denmark to visit, you're welcome to do so. Now, I'm just a text away. In case you have any questions pertaining to what I just said, DM me and then let's talk more about this. Bye. It's Educate, the village girl.